Hello there. Monday was the calm after the storm. Lots of blue sky and sunshine, and it felt very warm indeed for this time of year. Glorious afternoon in Tynemouth. North Tyneside certainly better after Storm Amy had passed through. Now, we're going to keep that mild theme, perhaps not quite as warm as Monday for the rest of the week. There will be a lot of dry weather around as well. Most of the rain will be fairly patchy and into the far north and west. And that's exactly what's happening on Tuesday. High pressure dominating the scene, still tapping into this mild air. Behind this cold front, slightly fresher feel, but a cleaner feel. There'll be a lot of sunshine coming through to Scotland as we go through the day on Tuesday. So the rain sinks out of Scotland, gradually pushes into the north of England and the Isle of Man. Not much rain on it. Brighter behind for Scotland and Northern Ireland, but not quite as warm. Quite a lot of cloud across England and Wales, slowly brightening up into the afternoon. Here we'll see highs of 18 degrees. Now, as we move out of Tuesday into Wednesday, our weather front continues to sink its way steadily south. By then, a band of cloud and the odd spot or two of rain. So if we draw a line really from the Wash down to the Bristol Channel, anywhere south and east of that, cloudier skies on Wednesday. Sunny spells behind it, but a few scattered showers pushing into the far north and west of Scotland. Temperatures generally between 13 and 17 Celsius. 17 is 63 Fahrenheit. Now, as we move into Thursday, we're likely to see this area of high pressure trying to build in from the southwest. Once again, this weather front is going to really weaken. And again, it'll be a band of nuisance cloud. You can see it just pushing through Northern Ireland into Northern England and sinking its way steadily southwards. Brighter skies behind, a bit more of a breeze into the far northwest of Scotland. And again, those temperatures, similar values at around 14 to 18 Celsius. Now, as high pressure starts to build in by the end of the working week, and the winds will fall light, we could have an issue with some autumn mist and patchy fog first thing in the morning, but a lot of dry weather in the forecast, as you can see. A westerly wind will feed in a little more cloud coming in off the Atlantic, may be thick enough for an isolated shower. Best of the drier, brighter weather in the southeast, and again, similar temperatures to the last couple of days. So that high pressure looks likely to stay with us, not only just through Friday, but into the start of the weekend. So if you do have outdoor plans this weekend, it is looking quite promising. A lot of dry weather in the forecast. Early morning mist and fog lifts. We could be chasing cloud amounts around, particularly out to the west. But again, those temperatures still staying into the mid, possibly high teens. And there's very little in the way of significant rain as we go through this week. For central and southern parts of England and Wales, hardly any notable rain whatsoever. To the far northwest of Scotland, we could see around 50 millimetres, but a largely quiet week ahead. And looking further ahead, there's not much significant change. The high pressure might just drift up to the north and west, and we could tap in to a little bit more warmth coming in off the near continent. But at the moment, we're going to stick with this dry, settled and relatively sunny story. Going to be a lot of usable weather to get out and tidy the gardens.